So hi guys, in this video we are going to see about this one right back of me, and this is the Boat Rockerz 510 on-ear wireless headphone, and I'm JB here, you are seeing Tech Station. Let's get started. So now let's see the overview of it, and the box says crafted for your entertainment, and here written the Rockerz 510 on-ear wireless headphones, and there it's written boat and plug into Nirvana, and an image of it is given here, and the transparent layer shows the headphone itself. At the top layer, nothing we can say. The next layer, I already unboxed it, so you can see that too. And if you see here, it's written boat OER, and it's written again the crafted for your entertainment. And next some features it has given, and it says microphone with volume control and play music wireless via mobile or tablet, and hands-free pickup in or Redial call, and as I said before, soft ear cups for extended use, and it's compatible with Android OS or Windows, and it is built in rechargeable batteries, it says. And here they have given some specifications about the battery. It gives music playback around 2 to 10 hours, and it says charging time is about 2 hours maximum, and standby time up to 180 hours. And it says package contains on-ear headphones, USB charging cable, audio cable, and so given the product details and from where it came and product code, everything. And we bought the blue edition, as you can see the color, and that was it given, and it's given the price too. You can see it, it's priced around $3990. It's too costly for myself for buying it. Let's see about the price, if they are worth for this or not. Let's see in the future, next in this video. And it has given color code is given Furious Blue, and that was in this box. On the side it has written the boat Nirvana, plug into Nirvana, and the same it's not given here. This over here you can see the transparently that Boat Rockerz, and bottom nothing, and top let's unbox it, and let's unbox it. So we can open it. As I said before, I already unboxed it. And the headphones, we are getting the first, and let me keep it away. And it is over here actually, so for that, and you are getting USB charger, and you're getting it's having a warranty card as well as the user manual, and it says something about it's having stone Bluetooth speakers, and the advertisements of it, a big bag, and says licensed audio partner of Chennai Super Kings. And that's it. It is given, and many signs: Hardik Pandya, many players, and many actors, and many of them signed. And they said that is worth, and something like the product details. You can see I've given the 1-year warranty. It says it's having this product comes with best in industry 1-year warranty, and that's about in this box. No, it's having an aux cable for the purpose you can use it wired to. that's about we are getting in this box. And let's keep everything away. Now let's concentrate about this Boat Rockerz 510. And here it have given some symbol like play, pause I guess, and it says left over here and right. Let's see the controls over here, and this says for the next song. Oh sorry, it says before song, it says after song, and this is volume up and volume down button, and it's having a LED indicator. It comes red. Red says it's charging, and blue says it's in Bluetooth connectivity. And if it doesn't blink, it says if the blue color doesn't blink, it says it is connected. And here we are having this main button. It works for many things, for attending the call and for playing the song and pausing the song. Everything, this one single button is worked. And as you can see here, let me see. This one is the mic in here, and you're having your USB plug-in for charging, and this side nothing has been given. Yeah, here we are getting the headphone plug-in so that you can use it as wire. It saves the battery too, and that's it given. And here the branding of Boat, and that's it. So I've been given. Let me see how it works. So guys, now tell me about the mic of it. I am now talking to you guys with this mic. It's connected to my device, and I'm talking directly with this mic only. How it is this mic? So tell me, and how is the quality of the mic? I heard many of the songs. According to me, it has a great bass. You're a bass lover, this is for you. It doesn't have extra bass, but it gives full bass when you are keeping the volume up in your devices. For example, now I'm hearing many songs, End of Time, for my all-time favorite Alone, or many of the songs, Senorita, every song, I got a great bass too, and I love the song. It totally has great effect, and you would get a great effect too. And as you can see here, its mic also great. I try to use in many videos. If you want this mic or the mic which I'm using before as my primary mic, which one do you want as my mic? Tell me that in my comments down below. And the review of it says, as it says before, it's 10 hours of playback. Yeah, it gives me a great one. After a long time of hearing 2 hours, it says it's about 80% only. It charged 80%. And it also has some application for the boat itself. And I want to say, I forgot to say you guys one thing. It is Alexa built in. How can we use Alexa? That's so simple. How can we use it? Let me say you guys. So I can use this. So wait a second. So I can see you guys, like I can show you this way. Now let's go to the application itself through the mobile phone. Now you have to type Boat Lifestyle application, and you have to install that application. After you installed it, open the application. and you have to choose here Alexa enables, and you have to allow it and add new device in wireless, the Boat Rockerz 510. And you have to go to the settings and enable the location service, and then you have to sign in with the Amazon account of yourself. After you go on this, it's just get started, and you have to give get started, and then everything's okay. Here are some of the menus. Okay, you have to give okay, and I have to say got it. After it's done, it says like this. You can just say Alexa to play any of the song. For example, play End of Time.
End of Time by K391, Alan Walker and Alex. Starting now on Amazon Music.
Open camera. You can ask Alexa to say anything if you want. And you can say anything, you can say anything you want to Alexa for anything. By using the button over here. By using this button, you can ask Alexa anything you want. Play Alan Walker. Play Alan Walker songs. So it's playing the song. What? And so that you can ask Alexa whatever you want. Stop the song. So it says here paused, and that's what you can control your device using Alexa. So it's very simple and very useful. And let's go to the rating part now. Now the rating part of this, I would rate this one 3.5 star. Yes, why I'm saying this much? 3.5 to 4. It's great, not awesome. Why I'm saying this because they can give some more extra features, as well as they can, if they're given the touch controls, I would be giving it 5 star too. Touch controls is easier than the button controls. It's so tougher to use, and it's so tough to use the before song button. Rarely we can use it, and that's what I'm giving. And also, I am in the application, if they says how much battery it does have and how much things it has, and if they give that much things in the Boat Rockerz, means I would give it 5 star, because the thing is, we don't know the right percentage. We have to go to the settings and we have to see in that whether how much percentage of battery is remaining, and we have to charge it or not. That's what I'm just saying. And also for battery, it indicates like two beep sound would comes back to back saying it doesn't have battery. But if you go to the Bluetooth settings, if you go to the Bluetooth, it says it has battery. That's the thing what I'm missing out. And overall, it's a great Bluetooth headphones, and it can be used as wired without the thing of having the futuristic, and without using this using the battery. You can use it as wire too. That's a great advantage. I want to specify it in this time. And the rate, so they have given it for around 4,000 rupees. It is the best headphones you have to buy under 5,000. It is one of the best. After a long time, over here, if you come for over here, it's the best wireless headphones, we can say, because you can go for the JBL, but it's too costlier than it. In Amazon, it is just around 2,000 rupees, and if you go for the Boat Rockerz 600 somewhat, I don't know, I will put it here. And if you go for that, it's too more costlier. It has touch controls using that, but the real MRP is around 3,990. If you go for the stores, it's 3,990. In Amazon, around 2,000 rupees. So this is my review of the Boat Rockerz 510 wireless on-ear wireless headphones. And how about you? Either you're going to buy it or not? Tell in the comments down below. I'm JB here, signing off from Tech Station, and for Tamil version of this video, you can consider TWJB Tamil, and that was my in Tamil channel, and you can miss it up. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and more tech videos like this. And let me catch you out with another tech video. Here, me JB signing off from Tech Station, and let us meet in the next video.